Hey there, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your LS430 smart key, proximity key. It's real simple. There's a little lock mechanism at the top of the key, and you basically see the arrow there that says pull that way. And if you have a flat blade screwdriver, you can stick it down in there, but I can use my fingernail and just get down in there and just pry it up, and it just comes right off. Again, you can see this little lock here. As you pull that back, it's spring loaded, and that way you can get something in there. Like I said, I just put my fingernail in there and popped it up, and it just pries right up like that. And then here's your access to your battery, and you just have to kind of give it a little bit of a shake to get it out. Gets in there kind of tight. You can get your fingernail down in that and pull it back. See the buttons are here. You see the buttons, and this is the actual remote, right? So this is just the case. So you can walk around with this if you wanted to. But anyway, the battery is inside here, and I like to pay attention to, okay, so I've got the buttons facing this way. I'm going to face them down. Battery is on the opposite side of the little tray, and you can get your fingernail in there and pull that back. It's got like a little grommet there, so it keeps it in there tight. Pay attention to the fact that the buttons are on the bottom side, and your battery, which is a CR2032, the plus sign, positive side of the battery, is facing this way. So it's on the opposite side of the buttons. So just pay attention to that. I've actually replaced this lately, so I don't need to, but this is how simple it is. And after replacing, just slide it back in, make sure you have it in the right position, and you can test it before you put it back into the case by hitting one of these buttons and make sure it turns red. So see, that tests it. And here we go. So just slide it in with the buttons positioned properly. Slides right in. This is going to be easy to put in. The lock is going to face towards the blade. Pull it back, and it just clips right in, and you're ready to go. So hope this helps you, and thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.